So, not too long ago, I started this series where I show you guys what I do with containers, preferably food containers that people throw out. So this is an update and also a preview of what's been happening in the roughly 2 months since I started the series. This is the results of the carrots that I planted in the dishpan. The box I just threw the box in because I'm going to use that for another project. And it instead of me using the box separately and moving the plant separately, I just decided to move them together. At any rate, these are the carrots, and they're doing pretty good. I don't keep them in the shade. I move them into the shade for the purpose of this video because I didn't want to be in the sun. So that's the carrots on top of the tomatoes and a few other things that I'm growing. But that's not what I want to show you guys today. We're moving on to our next video, which is going to be Friday. And I'm doing something different again because I'm actually going to show you what's growing. This is the second tin of the two that originally contained chicken from a fast food place. I didn't want to throw them away, so I poked holes in the bottom. Obviously, I washed it, and now there's something growing inside. Do you know what it is? If you don't, that's cool because I'll tell you on Friday. I have several of these growing in. I will tell you this much. These are starters, and once they get transplanted, they will look great. That's it. This container is a little shy of 12 inches, and it's probably about 4 or 5 inches deep, but it works well for what I'm using it for. Want to find out what it is? Check back with me on Friday afternoon. I'll give you an update. I'll show you what it is, and I'll show you where I'm going to plant it. Guys, have a great day. See you on Friday.